Over here, what we're showing is one of our standard 5 profiles made from Boral true exterior boards.
Okay.
True beveled siding material, in this case with a bead, 3/4 by 8.
Yeah.
In addition to the standard 3/4 by 8, we have a 1/2 by 8, a 1/2 by 6, a 3/4 by 10, and also a 1/2 by 8.
And this is milled from Boral stock, right?
This is milled, exactly. So in this case, we're taking this product out of a 1x8 material and milling it to specification. Particular siding request is for a certain exposure or dimension. That's something that we can also offer in addition to the standard profiles.
Oh, really? Okay, good.
Absolutely. Here's an example of where we've taken a 5/4 by 12 product and machined a shiplap as well as a beaded product to meet an existing condition on a site.
Okay.
Good example of matching historical requirements would be this piece here, which we believe to be a couple hundred years old.
I see.
And you can see the replicated product here.
Nice. And you said that this is, sanctioned in historic districts, right?
Yes, we've been very pleased that most historical architectural review boards will accept this product. Places like Charleston, South Carolina, Martha's Vineyard have pre-approved Boral and duration for application in their locales.
Okay.
And the reason for that is it's virtually indistinguishable from real wood.
Okay. And then on the modern side of things, you can make panels, right?
Yes, Boral's typical board comes in a nominal 12-inch width, so an 11.25-inch actual dimension. But what we're able to do is actually edge glue boards in order to create wider pieces, essentially sheets of the material. So somebody that's looking for a black panel or dark brown panels, anything like that, absolutely no issue with this product, and it will remain stable and completely waterproof.
Okay. And you seem to have quite a selection of moldings, it looks like.
Absolutely, great selection of moldings, custom moldings, outside corners, which are preformed and come up to 20 foot in length. We use a lock miter technology here, so it's essentially one and done.
All right. Well, thanks for your time.
Thank you.
All right.
It's a pleasure. Thanks for stopping by.